You know, one of my favorite things about Michigan, had to wait for the door to close, is that year-round there's always something to do. That's why this weekend I'm in Grand Rapids. Art Prize 8. Let's go look at some of the art. It is so windy here, I feel like we're in Chicago. Are we in Chicago? No, it's just Grand Rapids.
Don't know why I love you like I do. All the trouble you put me through. 16 candles blown on my wall, and I'm the biggest fool of them all. I wanna know, can you tell me I'd love to stay? Yeah. Take me to the river, drop me in the water.
Art Prize has been going on for the last 8 years. That's why this is Art Prize 8. And it's a festival where artists from all over the country come together. Grand Rapids, the downtown area, becomes a hub of just art. Churches and organizations, businesses just offer their space for different artists to come in and display their work. And it's a big art competition, actually, where over, I think this year, about 1,500 artists have entries in here at over 140 different venues around the downtown area. Each artist has a little vote code, and the artists, or the people coming, can vote for the art that they like best. And at the end, there's a large grand monetary prize for the artist who got the most public votes, and also the one that gets the most votes from a jury.
That's a purple elephant. I love this. When I was a little kid and I would cry, my mom would tell me, don't think about purple elephants. There's a purple elephant. I'm gonna think about purple elephants. So after looking at all these pieces, there were two grand prize winners. One was the Wounded Warrior Project, and the other was an interactive piece called the Bureau of Personal Belonging. Let's go check it out.
Well, I started these performative interactions about 10 years ago where I wanted just to engage with people and give them the opportunity to share their voices. And I really enjoy doing an energetic exchange with people through my artwork rather than just making an object and hanging it on a wall. And so it's kind of morphed into a larger bureau where there are different activities happening in different departments around themes of validity and also just belonging in community. And these are all questions that I've posed for myself and gender identity in this department. And so I'm just kind of posing the same questions for other people and trying to have conversations with people and have them in the same space and interact with one another.
Welcome to the Bureau of Personal Belonging. We're asking everyone to sign in their name, today's date, and how they self-identify. All offices are open, and the office directly behind me is the archive.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Hey Ron, it says here that you are listed as male.
That's correct.
Do you agree with that?
I do.
And who determined you were male? Do you have your birth certificate on you today?
I do not.
Yeah, I know. Imagine that. Most people don't walk around.
I know, right?
Well, luckily Senate Bill 2 hasn't passed. Senate Bill 2. Senate Bill 993 hasn't passed here, so you don't need to worry about that yet. But it's pending, so I just want you to be aware. Let me see your right palm, please. There we go. Looking pretty human to me. Okay. Okay, congratulations. You are human. Let me go ahead and stamp your permit. You probably already knew that, but I just wanted to reassure you in the light of the conversation around this legislation that's being passed these days. And I'll go ahead and have you print your name here and sign right there for me, okay? Do you mind if I send this to Governor Snyder and let him know that you're human?
I would appreciate that.
Okay.
Somebody needs to know that.
I'm going to put it right here with all the other ones, and we'll make sure he gets that in the mail.
And here is your receipt. So you're definitely going to want to keep this on you person at all times, just in case anybody questions your validity as a human.
So I'm valid?
You are valid.
I'm valid. So that's it from Grand Rapids. Had a great time. Lots of great art. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations to Grand Rapids for having such an awesome city. And one more thing. I don't usually come to Grand Rapids, but when I do, it's to Soki's. Stay thirsty, Grand Rapids.